A pre-owned 2014 Mercedes-Benz CLS. 2014 Mercedes-Benz CLS 550, luxury, power, and elegance in motion. This four-door sedan has an 8-cylinder, 4.7-liter V8 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz has less than 69,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. 2014 Mercedes-Benz CLS 550, power, luxury, and performance in one stunning package. Behold the 2014 Mercedes-Benz CLS 550, a luxurious beast built to dominate the road. Under the hood, a 4.7L twin-turbo V8 engine unleashes 402 horsepower and 443 feet-pounds of torque, delivering an exhilarating driving experience. Draped in a sleek black exterior with a classy black interior, this CLS 550 exudes sophistication. With less than 69,000 miles, averaging under 6,000 miles per year, it's been well cared for and ready for more adventures. Efficiency meets power with 17 mpg city/25 mpg highway, proving you can have thrilling performance without sacrificing fuel economy. Plus, with a clean CARFAX report and excellent overall condition, you can drive with total confidence. Don't miss out. Get behind the wheel of this masterpiece today. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.